In today's video, we're diving into how to improve your Google rankings using CodeDesign AI. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt lost trying to figure out how SEO actually works, or maybe you've been publishing content but it's just not showing up, this tool might be exactly what you need. CodeDesign can actually use AI to help you optimize blog posts, landing pages, and even full websites in a way that actually makes sense, even if you're not an SEO expert. I'm going to show you how to use CodeDesign and some simple steps you can take to start ranking higher today. Let's get into it. So first off, what is CodeDesign? CodeDesign is an AI-powered content and SEO tool that helps you write and optimize content based on what's already ranking on Google. You can think of it as a guide that shows you exactly what your page needs, things like what keywords to include, how long your content should be, what topics to cover, and how it compares to other top ranking pages. CodeDesign uses real-time data to help you build content that fits what Google is already rewarding. You still get to write in your own voice, it just helps you focus on the right things so you don't waste time guessing. This works for blogs, e-commerce pages, affiliate sites, service pages, basically anything you want to rank on Google. Before we dive into the walkthrough, I wanted to dive into some of the key features that make it really useful. The first tool is an AI SEO content writer. This is where you choose a topic, enter the focus keyword, and get a full outline based on top ranking pages. It shows you the average word count, how many headers to include, and what related topics should be covered. You can tweak the tone and layout or write your own content and just use the suggestions as a guide. Next is the keyword and topic clustering tool. This helps you build an SEO content strategy that actually makes sense. So instead of just targeting random keywords, you'll group related topics together. That's going to help you build authority in one niche and lets Google know your site is worth ranking for more than one post. Then there's the on-page SEO audit. So this checks your content against SEO best practices and shows you what to fix, whether it's missing internal links, not enough keywords, poor readability, or headings that don't match search intent. This tool highlights all of that in one clean dashboard. CodeDesign also includes real-time SERP analyzer, and this is where the magic happens. So it scans Google's search results for your keywords and tells you exactly what top ranking pages are doing, what they include, how they structure content, how many images they use, what common phrases show up, and so much more. Then it tells you how your content stacks up in comparison. One more thing is that you get an AI suggestions as you write. So as you work inside the editor, the tool will prompt you with ideas, suggested phrases, or better ways to frame a section. It's like having a mini SEO coach sitting next to you while you create. So let's go ahead and get into the walkthrough. If you want to follow along step by step, I've left CodeDesign's link down in the description below. So once you click on that, you'll get brought to this page and you can go ahead and type in right here and generate a website, and then you'll be prompted to enter in an email and a password. So what we're going to do is select AI website builder. We'll select business website, and now I have created an example as a holistic health and wellness coach. So at Thrive Holistic Health, we help you create lasting wellness through nervous system regulation, mindset coaching, and holistic health practices. Whether in group programs or one-to-one, we guide you to restore balance, release stress, and thrive in both body and mind. Okay, so it can be something short. We'll go ahead and click continue. Cool. We'll go ahead and go basic, Thrive Holistic Health, health and wellness. Now we'll go ahead and just let it do its thing. So now it has completely created a site for us. So what we can come in now and do is change the theme if we would like, maybe to light or dark, whatever feels best. We can regenerate if we don't love it. We can see what it looks like on, a tablet, on the iPhone. You can completely edit it as well. So now that we've clicked edit, we can edit everything. So right here, you can edit whatever you want right here, the font, the bold, the heading, the type of font, the color, everything. You can change the buttons. You can change and edit everything like a regular website, but it just gives you a great starting point. If you want to change to another page, you can click there. You can click add page and generate your next pages, of course. Again, you can edit all of this. Again, if you don't like it, you can have it regenerated. You obviously want to put all of your actual information in here, but again, it's just such a great starting point. So you're not just staring at a blank screen and you have something to go off of. Now, once you have your website built through CodeDesign, if you want to use their SEO features, you do need to upgrade to their paid plan. The free plan is very limited, but it gives you a good idea of how it works. I wanted to share some SEO tips in general as well. Tip number 1 is optimize your page titles and meta description. So every page on your site has a title and description. description field, make sure your main keyword appears in both. For example, instead of leaving your homepage title as just welcome, you could change it to something like health and wellness tips, Ashley Roberts, which is my name, right? This makes your site more relevant to Google and more clickable for users. Tip number 2, use headings to structure your content. Each page should only have one main heading or H1, which includes your primary keyword. Below that, use H2 and H3 headings to break your content into sections and cover related subtopics. This helps Google understand the hierarchy of your content and makes your page easier for visitors to read. Tip number 3 is to add keywords naturally. Your target keyword should appear throughout the content, but it needs to sound natural. Sprinkle in related phrases and synonyms and avoid stuffing the keywords everywhere. Think about how someone would actually type their search into Google and write with that in mind. Again, with the upgraded version of CodeDesign AI, everything is built in to make your life so much easier with SEO. Tip number 4 is to link your pages together. So internal links are important for both SEO and user experience. Link your about page to your contact page or link your homepage to your services page. These connections help Google crawl your site more effectively and also guide your visitor through the site in a logical way. Tip number 5 is to include external links to credible sources. So Google rewards websites that connect to trustworthy information. So add at least one link to a high authority source like a research study, news article, or industry website. This just shows that your content is credible and backed up by reliable information. Tip number 6 is to optimize your images. So before you actually upload images, rename them with a description of the file instead of the generic name like image 123, right? Use something like meal prep containers or healthy meal prep filled with vegetables, right? This makes your site more accessible and improves your chances of showing up in Google Images. Tip number 7 is to double check your site on mobile. Most people will visit your site on their mobile. That's just how it works these days. And Google ranks based on mobile first indexing. CodeDesign already builds mobile friendly sites, but it's still important to look at the pages on a phone to make sure everything loads quickly and looks clean. Tip number 8 is to publish your site and connect it to Google Search Console. After your site is live, head over to Google Search Console and submit your URL. This step tells Google to start indexing your site, which helps you show up in search results much quicker. Search Console will also give you insights into which keywords and driving traffic. Tip number 9 is to keep adding new content over time. SEO is a long game. The more helpful content you publish, the more opportunities you have to rank. Create new blog posts or landing pages around related topics in your niche. Over time, this builds authority and signals to Google that your site is active and worth ranking. Now that you understand how it works, some SEO tips, and how CodeDesign can help you with SEO, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So if you click that link down below, again, you can go ahead and go to pricing. They have a few options here. If you do decide to go with paying yearly, you can get up to 80% off, or they also have monthly and you can save some as well using our link down below. I'm going to go ahead and share the yearly plan just so you can see how you can get the best price possible. They also do have a 7-day money back guaranteed, which is huge. So you can always try it out. And then if you don't feel like it's the best fit, you can get your money back. So they've got the portfolio plan, which is 76% off, which comes to $7 per month per site, which is such an amazing deal. Again, if you wanted to pay monthly, it would come to $9 per month. If you use our link, you can save 69%. This gets you one portfolio website, unlimited pages, 100 contacts, 1,000 visitors a month, payment integration, regular support, and limited AI credits. Then they've got the individual plan, which is $12 per month paid annually, and this is saving you 70%. You get one website/funnel, unlimited pages, 1,000 contacts, more visitors, and regular support as well. And then you've got the growth plan, which is $24 per month paid yearly, and this is 66% off right now. You get everything in the individual plan, but you get 5 collaborators, you get more contacts, more visitors. You also get version history, premium support, free 200 AI chatbot credits, and 1 year free domain with annual billing. Lastly is the agency plan, which is $83 per month billed annually, and this is saving you 80% off, which is huge. With this, you get 100 websites, 100 funnels, more collaborators, more contacts, and 24/7 support, and of course, everything that's in the growth plan. Again, choose one that best fits your needs. You could always grow with it. If you wanted to start with the individual plan and just start with one website and funnel and go from there, you totally can. And remember, they do have a 7-day free trial. So if you don't feel like it's the best fit, you can go ahead and get your money back. So should you use CodeDesign to improve your rankings? If SEO has ever felt overwhelming or you're tired of watching your posts land on page 3 of Google, this is a simple way to change that. CodeDesign gives you structure and strategy so you can focus on the creative side. It's perfect if you're just starting out and want to learn as you go, or if you're growing a site and ready to to rank faster without hiring an expert. Again, if this sounds like you, I've got that link down in the description below for you. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. I know that learning SEO can feel like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. There's so much information out there and most of it's confusing or outdated, but tools like this just simplify the process. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep publishing, stay consistent, and make small improvements as you go. Let the AI guide you, but trust your voice too. You're more capable than you think, so keep going. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your very first website and learn tools that help it grow without getting stuck in overwhelm. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.